Mawarire says presidential title deeds program a fraud. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Harare, political commentator jealousy. Mawarire has dismissed President Emerson Mnangagwa's newly launched presidential title deeds program as unconstitutional and fraudulent, warning that it amounts to the illegal sale of state-owned land. Mnangagwa unveiled the program last week by handing out title documents to war veterans from Mashonaland Central. The scheme, spearheaded by businessman KUTYA Tagwari and the Land Tenure Implementation Committee, promises to convert 99-year leases, permits, and offer letters into bankable, transferable deeds of ownership. But Mawarire says the initiative is a constitutional violation. There is a Zimbabwe Land Commission provided for in the Constitution to perform that function. He told the Standard, having a parallel structure like the Land Tenure Implementation Committee is an affront on the Constitution, an illegality. It has no legal basis. He stressed that the Constitution clearly vests all agricultural land in the state, making private ownership unlawful without a referendum to amend the law. If you want to introduce a freehold land tenure system, you have to amend the Constitution. That requires a referendum, something Mnangagwa is afraid of, because he knows the people don't support what he is doing, Mawarire argued. The outspoken analyst further accused Mnangagwa and Tagwari of using the program to siphon money from farmers. One day they say title deeds are free for war veterans. The next day people are told to pay cash for title surveys, $300 per hectare, with over 11 million hectares of commercial farmland. They are looking at collecting up to $3 billion. This is a scam, he charged. Mawarire also alleged that money collected was being handled informally. Cash is being put into sacks and bags. It's not transparent, it's unlawful, and it amounts to selling agricultural land illegally, he said. The remarks have intensified the controversy around the presidential title deeds program, which the government has defended as a historic step toward secure land ownership.